This trick is so impressive that even professionals would be jealous. 1. If your gas stove turns off when you release the button, take a piece of sandpaper and gently polish the ignition needle. The problem should be fixed. 2. If your washing machine is very noisy during the spin cycle, the drum screws may be loose. Remove the agitator plate, tighten the screws, and the noise will disappear. 3. If your air conditioner indoor unit is leaking water, the drain pipe is likely clogged. Insert the drain pipe into a water-filled bottle, seal it with tape, and gently squeeze the bottle to flush out the blockage. 4. If your freezer keeps building up ice, the door seal may be damaged. Heat it slightly with a hairdryer. Close the door tightly, tape it shut, and leave it overnight to restore the seal. 5. If you have a leaking faucet, remove the decorative cover, unscrew the handle, take it apart, and tighten the valve core. Then reassemble everything. 6. If you struggle to cut plastic bags, the cutting edge may be misaligned. Place a nut as a guide and apply pressure evenly to get a clean cut. 7. Cut a straw, split it open, insert a charging cable inside, apply glue to the inner wall, and use a heat gun to shrink it. This reinforces and repairs the cable quickly.